CDTT Ransomware is yet another malware strain that's part of the prolific Djvu Ransomware family. Like other similar infections, this version locks target files and then demands a ransom fee to restore file access. Malicious programs like CDTT Ransomware can be distributed via software bundles. So if you tend to download freeware or pirated apps via torrent or cracked software sites, you may end up installing similar threats. CDTT Ransomware locks most of the popular file types, including photos, music, documents, and videos. During the file encryption process, CDTT Ransomware adds the .cdtt extension to the affected files and leaves a ransom note on the user's desktop and in every folder that contains encrypted files. When CDTT Ransomware is downloaded and installed, it employs the AES encryption algorithm to lock up target files. More often than not, information stealers like Vidar and Zeus are deployed alongside ransomware. This allows hackers to access sensitive information before encrypting files. It is possible the CDTT ransomware comes with an info stealer as well. Once the encryption is complete, the ransomware demands a ransom in exchange for the decryption key, which costs $980, but the ransomware's operators will offer a 50% discount and only charge $490 if the victim contacts them within the first 72 hours. The hackers can be contacted at support@freshingmail.top and data restore help you at airmail.cc. However, we discourage establishing contact with the hackers as there's no guarantee they'll provide decryption tools after payment. It is important to note that CDTT ransomware does not just encrypt data, but it may delete all shadow copies of affected files on your computer, making recovery extremely difficult if not impossible. It is highly recommended that you do not attempt to pay a ransom for a decryption key, as this doesn't guarantee that you'll get access back to files. Instead, focus on methods that can help you restore your data and protect your system from similar threats. How do I deal with the CDTT ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the CDTT ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool on your computer. That way you can scan for elements associated with this ransomware and other malware. Also, to reduce potential damage of a future attack, please consider backing up files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.